In astrology, a lot of people ask me when I'm reading charts as to what is the importance of Sade Sati, or how their Saturn is placed in their chart and how his results are going to be when his Dasha or Antardasha comes. See, there is a very simple way in which you can look at it. One is Saturn sits in a particular Rashi or in a particular house. Accordingly, he gives the results to that person. And Saturn in the birth chart sits in that house as per that person's prarabdha. So there is a clear meaning to it, why he is sitting in a particular house or a particular Rashi or a particular Nakshatra. Now, if without seeing anybody's chart, if you really want to see how Saturn is going to give results, or how somebody is aligning their energies with that of the planet Saturn, your Shanidev, you just simply, one simple technique that I see is, how you behave with your subordinates, people who work for you, people who are maids, people who are servants in your house or office, how you behave with them, and that talks about how you are aligning with the planet's energy, Saturn's energy. And another thing that you need to see is how his results are going to be for that individual. For that, you can actually see in that person's absence what is this particular maid or servant or subordinate of that person talking about him or her when that person is actually absent. That is actually Shanidev's result, or the result that Shanidev or Saturn is going to give to that person, because this is about how this person behaves with them and how they feel about this person. That is, Shani represents the person's people who are helping this person, that is, be it servants, maids. Even you see Shanidev from your older people who are in your life. So this is one simple technique that you can see, and you can apply it to yourself without going and looking into your charts. You can simply understand how Saturn is going to work for you, or what are his results, and how you have aligned, how well you have aligned. If you are behaving well with them, not because you have to get the results, it should not be like that. You have to be natural. You have to be really naturally behaving and treating them well, whoever is helping you in your daily activities. So that is a very simple technique, and I think it's very, very effective. I have seen this to be very, very I've seen this working perfectly in people's charts. If these things are happening, then their results are also generally good. So this is a very simple technique I just wanted to share with all of you. Thank you.